until now, most of the leaked information pointed at a 12GB of RAM at least for the high-end Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now last year the S21 Ultra came with 12GB of RAM on board, so whichever storage you will choose. Now according to reliable leaker Ice Universe, as well as a new Geekbench listing, the S22 Ultra could come in 8, 12 or 16GB of RAM options. Now that's a little bit confusing. Why? I will tell you. Now we've already heard that there will be a 1TB storage variant which will feature the ultimate RAM options thanks to Sam Mobile. Now a lot of you might ask, why would Samsung offer 8GB of RAM variant of the Ultra model? Now my answer would be, it's the way Samsung might make the S22 Ultra more affordable. Now that will be a happy compromise, by the way. On the other hand, if the price doesn't go down as I'm expecting, then it will be very bad for us, the consumers. And surely Samsung will have to face the consequences. The device will also offer as high as 16GB of RAM, but only with the most expensive 1TB ROM option. Now, according to reliable leaker Snoopy, we have early Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra price listing. Even though these are European pricing, but hey, we can take a little bit of guess the US price. Keep in mind the Euro pricing are 20% extra, the custom duties. So the Galaxy S22 price in the EU look like this. And here is the price of the S22 Plus, and here is the S22 Ultra. The whole series starts at 912 euro and ends at 1544 euro. But hey, you have to keep in mind there will be a 1TB variant. I don't know whether that will come to Europe or not, but there will be one. For the US price, my guess should be the S22 will start at $799, just like the past year's model. The S22 Ultra might start around $1100, whereas the Plus model could cost around $1000. Now, I don't know whether the 8GB S22 Ultra will cost $999 or the base $1200 model will offer 8GB. It will surely be interesting. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are interested in my wallpapers, then check out my website. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video. I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.